that I am talking to. Thank you for always being there for us, sabse pehle. And Miss, for this podcast, it will be a quick podcast. So if you can just introduce yourself, your school, all the hard work that you have been doing, and like I'm so happy that everything, like our school is flourishing. So if you can just give a little bit introduction about yourself.
Yes, definitely, Vidushi. A very good morning to you. And before I start, I would like to thank OLL and Vidushi for collaborating with us. In fact, we are collaborating with OLL. So it's going off very well, and I'm very glad that my children are engaged and involved in such a high level activity of robotics and coding. And the way this is inculcated and practiced in our children by getting my teachers trained by your team and from time to time guided by them. So it's a very, very systematic and gradual process. Thank
Thank you.
you, Vidushi.
Yes.
So, yeah, to introduce my school myself, I am Rajni Patil. I'm the principal of Dosti Foundation School. We are located in Sheel, Thane. We are 7 years, I must not call old school, but a new school, of which 2 years have gone in pandemic. And yes, we are affiliated to the CISC board, and three batches of our school have already given their ICSC exams. And we are waiting for our ISC upgradation, just waiting for this good news to be received from the council.
I'm sure it will happen very soon.
So
Nice.
I feel very proud to be associated with my school. I joined here as a founder principal and with the guidance of our school director, Dr. Ranjini Krishnaswamy, and also time to time support from my school management. And so, about my school, I must describe my school in only one line, that we are a hub of buzzing activities.
Oh, lovely.
Every day, you see, like some other activities are happening. Children are very happy to come to school, and we because they are engaged in so many activities like speech and drama, like then the technology driven learning happening with OLL, robotics and coding. Then we have the martial arts happening, we had sports happening, we have dance movement and music happening. So the all these activities, the children feel so happy to come to school. So it's the learning is not confined only to the four walls, but beyond the four walls of school, the educational trips that we take children for. So it's not limited to only one annual picnic or one educational trip. We see to it that we take children from time to time so that children get first hand learning experience. And
Lovely.
yeah, so there are a lot of things to talk about the school, Vidushi.
Amazing, Miss. I know I have visited your school and I have seen it grow like phenomenal. And what you rightly said, that the learning is beyond the four walls, and how, the entire school is buzzing with a lot of activities. And I have seen, of course, the involvement of your management and, of course, Director Principal Dr. Rajni. Really, hats off to all of you doing such hard work. So, ma'am, we will just ask you some few questions regarding what you have already been doing in school. So, according to you, what are the top three skills that you believe every student must have before graduating, from our school?
Yes. Yes. So I personally feel that every child that that steps out of Dosti Foundation School should be well equipped to face the world. And today, to face the world, first of all, every child should be technologically driven.
Perfect.
Every child should know what is online platform and what are the skills, you know, this training needs to access, and it should be affordable and scalable when it comes from school to children. Our children should be able to, you know, afford this. And the second skill that I feel every child must learn is soft skills. Very, very important. Training in communication, and then, you know, we talk about solving, adaptability, teamwork. This should complement the technological driven learning.
Lovely.
So they gain expertise and prepare to face this world confidently and take up the diverse roles in their upcoming life.
Nice.
So these are the strong skills that I want every child to learn when they graduate from school. And thirdly, Vidushi, very important that they should learn simplicity. In today's world, they are so badly, you know, carried away by the influences of the outside world that they forget their own self being. So every child should not get deviated from this self being. So that self awareness soft skill is very important. Simplicity. I want every child to be very simple when they step out from Dosti Foundation School. Learn to be empathetic because everything is available at their disposal today. Technology has made their life so easy, but we hardly see people who are simple and empathetic. So these two qualities are also equally important.
I agree with you totally, because even I believe कि मन में जो एक भाव है लोगों के प्रति, वो बहुत जरूरी है. Of course, it has to be combined with the current 22nd century skills of technology, and all the other soft skills that you summarize together is really required.
Yes.
Miss, एक और question, that how do you balance, because the school is involved with so many skill development activities to make the child holistically developed.
Yeah.
So how do you balance like the traditional academic learning with skill development programs that is already happening in your school?
Yeah. So, Vidushi, uh, I think if you integrate this learnings with your timetable, it becomes very easy.
Awesome.
Yes,
Perfect.
integrating this with timetable. So, like as I just mentioned earlier about music and movement, martial arts, and all those other activities that I mentioned earlier, these activities are integrated in our timetable. So, what happens, you know, children are learning during their learning time, their schooling time. So, children don't feel loaded, extra loaded with, you know, because post school should be for them for their me time. Learning
Right.
is happening from all the perspectives in school, and when they step out of the school gate, they should have their me time, not with mobile phones, but then again engaged in the post school activities. So that can be, they can go out for their hobby classes, and then they can spare little time for their studies at home. So this is very important. Every school integrates these activities in the timetable, it becomes very easy. Number two, you should have a very strong team, a team of teachers who also, you know, align and tune with the vision and mission of your school. Then the entire journey becomes very easy, Vidushi.
Wow. Yes.
Yes.
Perfect, Miss. I
Yes.
think you have summarized it all. But one last question I want to know, Miss, अगर आप you want to go back in time, going back to your school days, आपको क्या लगता है, which is that one skill that you think that you want, you could have learned, or should have been there, that you could, there is a possibility for you to learn that skill. So can you, any one skill?
So I'll go back to my school days. This is very interesting question. The kind of schooling that I have done, you know, I feel very uh, I should not say that I feel sad for myself, maybe because I experienced those days, and therefore today I am able to stand confidently, face this world confidently. So I don't want to say, but I often felt that my school did not encourage the activities which enhance the communication skills and the adaptability skills in children.
Okay.
Technology was, because back 90s, in 90s and mid 80s, technology was not that very vibrant in those days when I did my schooling. So I don't want to talk about it, because in with passage of time I learned along with what the time demanded from me. But these two skills, that is communication and adaptability, I really wanted to learn that in my school. Communication skills, because I always wanted to talk, I always wanted to contribute a lot to my school, but we hardly had opportunities to do that because the school was so academic driven. Only learn physics, chemistry, biology, languages, and maths. Beyond that, I did not know what schooling was. I was a very good sports person, and I'm very thankful to my parents. And on one hand, I must also thank my school, because I was a good sports person. They encouraged me to be on ground all the time. But along with this sportsman spirit, I always wanted to be in the elocution and lot of other debate competition. But my school did not encourage this, so I miss that. I really miss that. But today, when I see my children doing that, I feel that I am achieving that.
I
I
know.
see my this thing in them. What I missed, my children are doing. I feel like.
Wow. कितना अच्छा लगता है ना मिस, जब अपने बच्चे आगे बढ़ते हैं and then they take ahead with your legacy, so it is wonderful.
Yes, 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 yes.
Thank you,
Very.
Dr. Rashmi. It's always a pleasure being with you. Your aura is so beautiful, so positive, and all the hard work that you do is seen because there is a lot of difference in the students of Dosti Foundation School, and I'm blessed to be a part, of your school. So, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And Miss, you have to positively be there 1st February and with a lot of enthusiasm which you already have waiting to greet you and ekdam open arms ke sath, so that and you are a part of family.
Definitely, Vidushi. And we are just 7 years old school. Now let me call it old school. And you are with us in this journey.
Yes.
Started robotics and coding with OLL. And with God's grace, it's really going very well. The guidance, training, and the support that your team and you offer is it's incredible, Vidushi.
Really, thank you
Thank
मिस.
you.
Actually आप लोग का आशीर्वाद है तो अच्छा लगता है. ठीक है मिस, and then waiting for you. Love you a lot.
See you. Thank you, Vidushi. Bye.